Good morning YouTube and welcome to part 6.
You got this shit knocking on.
So part 6 is just another weekly update. It's freezing cold in here. I've had the diesel heater on, I've cleared all the frost and everything off the van, but I'll give you a little look around and let you know how the week's gone. So first of all, I'm going to show off my lovely grey painted roof. I love the grey and white, goes perfect together. All a mist coat, it's all just a matte at the moment. I'll finish it off with a nice silk or something, just to shine it off a little bit. Cut little bits that need painting and whatever else, but yeah, it is taking shape now. I've got no bed slats yet, that's just a bit of plywood on there, but you get the idea. Again, bed slats for the single bed, needs to go on, but yeah, we are getting there now. Got the hinges on, storage, din, full of mess, rubbish, storage, whatever else. My electrics are behind there, you've seen that already. Diesel heater vent. It's been quite a productive week, to be fair. Like I say, the painting is the main thing I wanted to do, get the grey on and see if it actually looked alright. I'll tell you what, I have got to run by you. Let me just get comfortable. Hold on. If you remember a couple of weeks back, I put the side windows in, and every video I've seen, people just cut the window out, whatever. No one, or all the ones I've seen, haven't protected the side of the van with anything. I've seen one or two really professional ones where they cover the whole side of the van, you know, like when they spray it, they cover the whole side of the van with plastic or whatever. And I always thought, well, what's the point in that? You're cutting the window out. But I come out about 2 weeks, so I cut the window 2 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago. I come out recently and noticed hundreds and hundreds of little rust spots, tiny rust spots. Let me show you the video I took when I spotted it. So all them specks of rust is little bits of metal, little shards of metal that shot off when I used the jigsaw, shot off onto the side of the van and onto the bonnet and all things like that, and it left loads and loads of little tiny bits of rust spots. So I bricked it a little bit, I'm gonna lie. I come out, what's it been, 2 weeks? I think 2-3 weeks. Come out and had a look the other day and I see loads of it, loads of little rust dots everywhere. So straight away I was out with the mop, polish. Luckily enough, I've polished it all out. I used some G3, took it down a bit, and then give it a good polish. As you see now, it is beautiful. Nice and beading, that's what I like to see. And it's come up lovely, it's come up mint now. All the dots are gone, you can't feel no bits of metal or nothing, so save that in time. So just in case you're doing your windows, make sure you cover up, honestly, because if I'd have left that another couple of weeks and not noticed, it could have started spreading into the bodywork or whatever. I don't know, but yeah, it don't now because it's on a white van. So I've got to fit a new battery today. Cold weather's here, battery is not happy at all. So before it gets too cold and I get stuck and can't get to work or whatever, I'm going to change the battery today. So yeah, I'm going to give you a quick little look around, see what's going on, bit of progress. And like I say, it's just a quick weekly update again. I'll give you a little nose about. So yeah, basically that's what we got. It's coming on. It's coming on nicely now. Tidied all this up. These was just thrown in the wall. I just put them there temporary. I don't know what I was thinking. I put holes in the cladding, threw the sockets in, and then yesterday I come in and I thought, well, what are you doing? So just tidies it up a little bit, doesn't it? I need to get some bed slats for the single bed, and I need to get bed slats for the big bed. Actually, that's just ply going across. So I like bed slats because it's able to breathe. The mattress and everything can breathe under there, otherwise you might start getting mould and damp and whatever else. But yeah, so that's what we got. So I'm going to love you and leave you and crack on with changing this battery. Alright, so I think the next one will be completed. I think part 7 will be the one, should be anyway, where it's completed. And well, hopefully. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching. Be safe, have fun. Thanks a lot.